What is the number of systems used for redundancy in a transmitting station? A 2, B 1, C 5, D 3. The correct answer is 2. What is the approximate range of Chaka system? A 200 mi, B 100 mi, C 300 mi, D 1000 mi. The correct answer is 1000 mi. What type of transmission is used in omega system? A. Amplitude modulated wave, B. Continuous wave, C. Phase modulated wave, D. Frequency modulated wave. The correct answer is continuous wave. What is used to indicate that a baseline is not usable? A. Blank, B. Blink, C. Pulse, D. Continuous wave. The correct answer is blink. What type of transmitter is used in a Decker system? A. Frequency synthesizer, B. Local oscillator, C. Crystal controlled, D. Digital. The correct answer is crystal controlled. Which of the following type is not used in an omega system? A. Grounded tower, B. Insulated tower, C. Hanging tower, D. Valley span. The correct answer is hanging tower. Which mode of Loran-C requires a minimum of 3 transmitters with iterative computation to obtain a fix? A. Hyperbolic mode, B. Rho-Rho-Rho, C. Rho-Rho theta, D. Rho theta Zulu. The correct answer is Rho-Rho-Rho. Acts as a coarse tuning device for the antenna. A. Loop, B. Helix, C. Amplifiers, D. Filters. The correct answer is Helix. Which of the following methods breaks the signal into finite segments to find the ASF? A. Millington S method, B. Bill S method, C. Differential method, D. Table lookup process. The correct answer is Millington S method. Which of the following derives all the signals needed by the transmitter from the timer? A. PATCO, B. ECD, C. HCG, D. TOPCO. The correct answer is PATCO. What is the use of notch filters in Loran-C receivers? A. Reduce interference from other frequencies, B. Reduce interference from other stations, C. Reduce interference from skywaves, D. Reduce atmospheric noise. The correct answer is reduce interference from other frequencies. Which of the following advantages does the differential Loran-C provide? A. Stable user frequency, B. No seasonal errors, C. Cost efficient, D. Very high range of 500 miles. The correct answer is no seasonal errors. HCGs are the power generators of the Loran-C transmitter stations. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. In omega system, a given frequency is transmitted by only one station at any given time. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following is false about direct ranging in Loran-C? A. Uses Rho-Rho mode, B. Requires minimum 2 stations, C. Cost efficient, D. High stable user frequency standard. The correct answer is cost efficient.